Okay, so I'm going to have a quick look at the maize crop. I think it's ready for harvest now, so the forage will be coming in soon. We'll just have a quick look at the cobs and see how they're doing. Well, it's an amazing crop this year. So much better than last year. It's incredible. Even on the headland, which is a bit that obviously doesn't necessarily get the best fertiliser and can be a bit compacted, it's incredibly tall. I'm talking sort of 10 to 12 foot high. I can't see over the top of the maize this year. Some years you can. And looking just down here, we've got a lot of the plants have got two cobs on. They got a big cob and they got a little cob here, which is a success because quite often you just get one and nothing else. Let's have a look in the cobs. Look, I mean, that's two reasonably sized cobs there. Still a bit of green on the leaves. Sometimes, you know, it might not be 100% ripe yet. Let's have a look. I'm just going to put the phone down in a minute. And oh no, got that one. It's like peeling a banana, but it's hard to do it with one hand. Let's have a look at this. Here we go. Yeah, those cobs are good. You can see there that there's no. They're ready to harvest as they've gone starchy. And that is good news. So we'll be looking to get the forager in here pretty quick, within the next few days maybe. I'm going to try and find my way out. Pretty amazing really, compared with some years when, well, last year was when it wasn't very good at all. Here we are, I'm back out. So yeah, that is a good crop of maize ready for harvesting. Okay, so here I am in front of the silage clamp, the maize silage clamp, and we're about to start maize harvest 2017. The guys will be along the road soon. I might go along in a minute and have a little look. We'll just have a little look at the clamp a minute. So yeah, not a massive clamp for us, but big enough for what we need. And we've put the plastic sheeting all down the sides. So the idea being that that's a bit higher than we need to be so that we can bring the sides over when it's full. I'm not sure how much we're going to get in the clamp. I reckon we'll pretty well get to near the front this year because we've got a good crop. Last year wasn't that brilliant, but this year I think it's going to be good. So there we go, there's the empty silage clamp. Well, I had a bit of a shock. It's 9:30 in the morning and I've just come along to the field to open the gates ready for the maize harvest team. Come along here and they're actually here already. They've just going around the headland, so I'm just going to drive up and see if we can have a little look. Bit of a shock. Luckily the old Audi that was dumped in the gateway is gone, so I assume someone's taken that. Anyway, I'm going to drive on up. We'll see if we can capture the first bit of maize being harvested this year. Where's the forager? Can we find it? This is proper off-road in here. And there it is. See, the first time they go round, the trailer's actually got to go behind the forager, which makes it a bit difficult. Obviously after they've been round once, they can go round side by side. And it looks to me like he's got a full load on. I don't know what he's going to do. Maybe the forager's going to go into the... Looks like the forager's going to go into the site, into the crop so he can get by. Let's have a look. Ooh. In fact, I might have to move because he's coming back. You might not know I'm here. Let's get out of the way. I'm not sure whether he's towing that trailer actually. Not sure where he's going with that. Maybe he's going to turn around here and then take it back down to the I reckon that's what he's doing. He's got no tractor with him, so he's going to turn around in this corner and take it back down to the field. And there's the other tractor come to join up, so I'm going to head back. They're still having a conflab in the background there of what's going on. So I'm driving back now, and hopefully I'll pop along when they start loading. And here's the first load in. So I'm not sure who's on that trailer. It might be Ed. Bringing in the first load of maize. Yeah. Same trailers we use for the grass silage. The loader bucket's not even here yet. We're getting the first load in. There we go, so let's have a look at this maize. And we've got a bit of weed in it, that can soon go. Oh, it's a piece of hazel. But you can see the difference, some of it's quite green. And there's a lot of old brown in there as well. Quite sort of contrasting colours, actually quite surprising. But if we pick it up, we can see inside it the bits of, there's the corns. As long as they're broken up, that's the main thing. So that's good, the first load in. First of quite a few, I should think.